3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 minus 2 gives us 1, and 5 times 1 is equal to just 5. But this answer is wrong. Other people solve this problem differently. What they are going to do is they start solving the problem left to right, and they follow this approach. 3 plus 2, which is 5, and 5 times 3 and minus 2, and 5 times 3 is 15, and minus 15 minus 2 is just 13. But again, this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, we have to follow a specific order when we are solving mathematical equation. I'm going to write the PEMDAS here. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So the thing you need to understand is, first we have to solve all the parentheses, and then after we solve all the parentheses, we are allowed to move to exponent, then to multiplication or division, then to addition or subtraction. This is the order we need to follow when we are dealing with mathematical equations, right? So if we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication or division, that is wrong, because clearly we are violating the mathematical rule of sequence of solving mathematical arithmetics. So let's get back into our problem. So as you can see here, we have 3 plus 2 times 3 minus 2. So according to the order of operation, we know that multiplication has a higher priority than addition or subtraction. We know that multiplication and division have third priority, right? So addition and subtraction has fourth priority, meaning if we have addition and subtraction in the equation, we have to solve the equation left to right, right? So it's better to know that addition and subtraction has equal priority, meaning we have to solve them whichever comes first. So keep that in mind. So let's solve this problem. So we are going to start with the multiplication. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? So the problem becomes 3 plus 6 minus 2. So the answer doesn't matter which order we follow when we do this arithmetic, but like I said, we have to follow the rule. So we have to do the addition, not because addition has a higher priority than subtraction, but because addition comes first, right? So 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So the final answer to this question is 7.